In this problem, we're going to solve a quadratic equation. We want to solve the equation x squared minus 4x plus 2 equal to 0, algebraically in the real number system, and we want our answers to be exact. When we have a quadratic equation, our first approach normally is to try factoring. In this case, factoring isn't going to help us. So we're going to revert to the quadratic formula. We're going to identify our coefficients first. A equals 1, b equals -4, and c is equal to 2. Our quadratic formula, the x is -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we just need to plug in our values for a, b, and c into our quadratic formula. We get -4 plus or minus the square root of -4 quantity squared minus 4 times 1 times 2. And then all of that is over 2 times 1. When writing this, it's important to put this -4 in parentheses, so remember we're squaring the negative as well and not just the 4. So it'll give us -4 is a +4 plus or minus the square root. Now here -4 squared will be a +16. And we'll have -4 times 1 times 2, which is -8. And all that's over 2. So it gives us 4 plus or minus the square root of 8 divided by 2. We can simplify this radical. It's 2 root 2. So we'll get 4 plus or minus 2 root 2 all over 2. You can cancel a common factor of 2 to give us 2 plus or minus the square root of 2. So the solution to our equation will be 2 plus or minus the square root of 2. So there are two solutions, 2 plus the square root of 2 and 2 minus the square root of 2.